Hello, welcome. So today I'm going to just make a card with, or a journal spot on the back. Actually, I might put a photo on here. But I want this cute and collaged. So I thought I would bring you guys with me while I did that. So I'm going to actually use glue today instead of the other. So I hope you guys are all good. And I love collaging. It's just relaxing and fun. Don't really overthink it. Here we go. Nope. Let's use, oh, this would be fun. So this is a variety of paper. I don't know where all the paper is. A lot of this is MY Porch Print. I'm just in love with her fall paper. It's just so beautiful. Ah. Here we go. We need something little right there. Here we go. So I hope you guys are good. I already said that. It is quite some time. So I love fall. I cannot wait for it to come around. It's like one of my favorite times of years. It'd be fun on top of everything. Oh, that would be fun. So with these digital papers, you don't always have to use this is made for a pocket, and you don't always have to use them as a pocket. You can use them for whatever you want. I don't normally use them as pockets. You use them for other stuff, like collages or cards or whatever. I want something a little darker. Oh, this is cute. Let's cut some of this up. So if you guys want to see, I dabble in everything. So if you want a tutorial on different stuff, just let me know in the comments and I will do it. I just do a lot of different things. My kids, well, my daughter is very much into crafting. Those are cute. Let's use those a little bit. And she has gotten obsessed with making books and wanted to make her own books for school. And so when I made a book to hold my ephemera, I had her bind it for me, do all that, because she loves to. She lost her needles for it, so she was like, I have to buy new ones, and I offered to buy her new ones, and she goes, no, Mom, I got it. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty one. So my recycle buckle needs to get undone. The kids were home with everything and we were on lockdown. My son would get so annoyed with me because about every other day, sometimes twice a day, it just depended on how much I was in here crafting. I would have him come and take out my recycle bucket. And he hit a point where he's like, Mom, I'm done. He goes, you need a bigger bucket. So I had to get a bigger bucket. So he wouldn't have to take everything out all the time. Yeah, let's just add a little bit of green. There we go. I think I need one more. All right. You know what? Now, oh, what's this? Let's just do this. There we go. Not too bad. Let me put this lid on. And then we will, I always lose my little needle that goes in here, so I decided to put it in a bucket thing, plastic container. It's worked so far. I haven't lost it because I have stepped on it. I have, you name it, I have done it. So I'm going to add some color onto some of these. Get rid of the white. Make sure you guys are in frame. And then we will turn this around and I think we'll decorate it. So if you wanted to do a lot of these, I'm just going to be trimming off this paper. If you want to do a lot of them, just get an 8.5 by 11 or a book sheet or whatever and make a big collage. Then cut them down to whatever size you want for your note taking. Or you can just glue this down and use it as a pocket or a card, or you know, the possibilities are like endless of what you can use these for. Wonder if you'll have time before dance to empty my trash, my recycle. Probably not. I'll probably have to do it, but it's so cold. I don't want to go outside. So I am just getting the edges so there's not white and stuff around it. Here we go. And then I think we might have time to decorate this. Yep, we're good to decorate it. Okay, so it's really cute. I think, yeah, that makes it really, really busy. Let me pull out some of my bigger pictures. These are all my porch print. I have no clue how to link, or else I'd put a link in the bottom for it. Yeah. Oh, that one's fun and cute. I love that. So I think we're going to use that, and then we might use some of that too. Okay, so we have some to play with. So I think we're going to go with this at first. And I think that is adorable. And I really want to use this somewhere because I love this little tag. And I like the music, but I don't know. Let's see about some book page. Might have to. Oh, that looks good. We're going to use that book page. And use, you know what? So these are tags my mom gave me. They work really well. I love them. And we might see about adding an actual flower. I'm not grudging these up though. They are way too... This is vintage photo I'm using. I don't know if I told you guys that. I jump between different ones. But most of the time it's vintage photo I use. There we go. That works. All right. Oh, I just did that. I need that. We are going to put a little bit around this to hide the white edges from cutting it, which works. I love this little picture of these little kids. Reminds me when I would take my daughter when she was little to the pumpkin patch. We took my son a few times, but we slowly just quit going. It's where the first kids tend to get a lot more stuff than the second. That's okay. My son gets a lot too, so it works. Okay, so I'm going where I put my glue back. Sorry about that. Put that in there. I'm gonna glue this bit right here and glue this. I like to build when I'm doing these and do them offside. So like I'll probably just glue this onto here first. I know it seems a little weird, but it's just the way I like to do stuff. Everyone does stuff different. And then we're going to put these down. Make sure I put them the right way. Last thing we want is for them to be upside down. And put this whole thing down. And then you just want to give it a good rub to get all of that tape, the glue, mixed and swooshed in. Alright. Now, I don't like that, so that is going away. Throw it in my trash up there. And we need a oh, where are my, I don't know where they went. So we are just gonna put a little bit of glue on this, and there we go. There's your journaling card. Or if you want, you can put it on and glue 3 sides and clip a little hole in the front, and you have a cute autumn pocket. I hope you like this. Like, subscribe. If you want to see more like this, let me know. Thanks. You guys have a great day. Bye.